Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, October 31st, 2024, we're focusing on Tesla stock, and the recent events that have impacted its price movement. Let's begin with the news. We've seen a significant amount of insider selling in recent weeks, which has sparked some concern among investors. This, coupled with a mixed outlook from analysts, has led to some uncertainty regarding TSLA's immediate future. However, it's important to remember that insider selling doesn't always signal a bearish outlook, and analysts often have differing opinions. Tesla's Q3 2024 earnings report, released on October 23rd, exceeded expectations, with revenue growth across its key segments. The company's continued focus on expanding its energy operations, developing its full self-driving technology, and advancing its humanoid robot, Optimus, positions it as a leader in autonomous robotics. Now, let's turn our attention to the Tesla chart data, starting with the one-day chart. Looking at the daily chart's recent history, we see a clear downward trend. The price has been steadily declining since its recent peak, indicating a potential bearish sentiment. It's important to note that the decline was not uniform, with periods of consolidation and even some upward movement. However, the overall picture suggests a bearish trend, with potential further downside. If we zoom in on the past month, we see a pattern of price reversals. The price has been testing certain levels, finding support at some points and encountering resistance at others. One key price level to watch is the $260 level. The price has found resistance here in recent weeks, suggesting a potential ceiling for the stock's short-term upward movement. On the other hand, if the price manages to break through this resistance level, it could indicate a shift in sentiment and potential for further upside. We can also see a significant support level around $240. The price has found support at this level on several occasions, suggesting that it may act as a floor for the stock's downward movement. If the price breaks below this support level, it could indicate a potential shift in sentiment and further downside. Now, let's examine the one-hour chart to gain a more granular view of TSLA's recent price action. The one-hour chart provides us with a much closer look at TSLA's price movement. We can see that the price has been consolidating in recent hours, indicating a period of uncertainty. There have been minor fluctuations, but no clear trend emerges on the one-hour time frame. This consolidation could be a prelude to a breakout in either direction. Looking at the last 24 hours, we can see the price has been ranging between $250 and $260. This range suggests that there's a struggle between buyers and sellers, with neither side gaining a clear advantage. It's important to note that the one-hour chart's consolidation phase aligns with the daily chart's bearish trend. This suggests that the recent decline in TSLA's price may continue, despite the lack of clear direction in the short term. The one-hour chart highlights the volatile nature of Tesla stock in the short term, making it difficult to predict its immediate direction. To further analyze TSLA's price action, let's dive into the 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart allows us to observe very short-term fluctuations in TSLA's price. We can see that the price has been moving in a narrow range, creating a choppy and indecisive pattern. This choppy pattern suggests that there is a lack of clear buying or selling pressure in the market. It's important to note that this choppy pattern aligns with the consolidation phase observed on the one-hour chart, and it's also consistent with the bearish trend on the daily chart. Overall, while there is some short-term consolidation, the 15-minute chart's choppiness suggests that Tesla stock is susceptible to volatility. The price is currently trading around $257, near the bottom of the short-term consolidation range, making it a potentially risky time to buy or sell. In conclusion, Tesla stock is facing a mixed outlook, with recent insider selling and a mixed analyst consensus creating some uncertainty. The daily chart shows a bearish trend, with the price declining since its recent peak. The daily chart also reveals key resistance at the $260 level and support around $240. The one-hour chart shows a consolidation phase, suggesting a struggle between buyers and sellers. This consolidation could lead to a breakout in either direction. The short-term volatility makes it challenging to predict TSLA's immediate price action. The 15-minute chart reinforces the short-term consolidation, indicating choppy price action and a lack of clear momentum. The price is currently near the bottom of the short-term range, making it potentially risky to trade. Based on the current chart data, it's reasonable to expect continued volatility in Tesla stock, with the potential for further downside. A break above the $260 resistance level would suggest a potential shift in sentiment and could lead to further upside. Conversely, a break below the $240 support level would suggest a potential continuation of the bearish trend and could lead to further downside. Keep an eye on the news and events surrounding Tesla, as these developments can significantly impact the stock's price movement. Watch for any changes in the consolidation pattern on the 1-hour and 15-minute charts, as a breakout could signal a shift in momentum. As always, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and develop your own trading strategy based on your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Remember, trading involves inherent risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results.